My name is Malik Malone and I'm doing electrical installations level 3. When we got into doing the challenges and stuff like that, it was actually really, very fun. I'd say just the whole presenting thing that we did with the whole group work and all that stuff was the best part. The people who actually came along and showed us stuff and people that were in today, they seemed like they actually enjoyed their job. And the building inside as well, it's very nice looking, it's tidy, it's very large. What the company looks like, I would really like to end up working here if I was given the opportunity to. Now I have another option that I can think of if I want to go into an apprenticeship here or something like that, or go into any sort of construction or just join the company.
My name is Sasha Volovic. I partake in level 3 electrical installation. I think it's good that we have a global company that is helping us in our college. I think it's a really good opportunity to show ourselves that we'd be amazing in the workforce. I think they've gone above my expectations because it's been very hands-on, it's been very interactive, which is something that I think is very important, especially as students, especially as creative thinkers. We have to have more hands-on experience. The Mace team have given us a lot of resources. The knowledge that I've gained is first off work experience, is general work experience, but that includes things like team leadership, being a team member, working with a team. I think being polite, really important. They've invited us to Moorgate, to their headquarters, let's say, and they gave us a hands-on experience, like what the offices look like, how to present. I really like it, I enjoy it. I think they've done a really good job at helping us see what employers need, what their company specializes in, and general industry standards.
My name is Alina Cornish and I'm an Assistant Social Value Manager for Mace. Running this work experience has really benefited us by understanding the gaps that the young people are facing in this current climate, but also it enables us as a company to really build our reputation and to show other companies what we're doing in terms of social value and what we're doing to encourage the younger generation to get into work. And the feedback that we've been given was that it's incredibly insightful and it's really helped to open up their understanding of not just construction but also of careers and understanding perhaps what they do and what they don't like, and that's an important part of building a well-rounded experience for young people to know where to go in their next step. Being able to see their confidence grow from day 1 to day 5 has just been an absolutely amazing experience. It's so lovely to see on day 5 how well students are able to present and how confident they are to present. There are more and more young people that are falling into the neat category of not being in employment, educational training, and running initiatives like this will enable them to really identify where they want to be in their careers. So the more employers can do this, the more that we can capture those young people.